All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is a perfect example of what you should do when thinking about selling. Now, the market is so crazy that, in all honesty, you don't have to have your property look like this. But when you are ready to put your house on the market and you really want to make sure it's 100%, tile. Always clean it out. Make sure the grout looks good. Stage your house. Even if you have to rearrange your furniture, it should look like no one's ever lived in it. It should look like a model home. Look at this. Light bulbs. Make sure all the light bulbs are working. Dust, especially, it's a big one right there, the AC. Get the AC filter, get it serviced. I mean, these are things we can easily help you with. But a lot of people are always asking, like, what should I do to get my house ready? And truly, I tell everyone in this market, really, you don't have to do anything. But this is how it should look. Clean. I mean, literally, when you walk in, it's just a natural smell. There's a little bit of Febreze over there you can smell, or an incense. The windows, no fingerprints, no nothing. Here, I'll walk you real quick. And just, I mean, as you see, look at this. Everything about this house, even this light bulbs are working, all the lights, no dust. I mean, this is just an example of when someone walks in. So I'm going to turn the camera around, right? And I'm going to show you from this side. Hold on. So think of it like you're walking in this house and this is what you're seeing. It's the first thing you do, right? So it's always, when you pull up to the house is number one, when you walk in the door is number two. Beautiful. I'll do more of a video on this coming soon.